Warning: trading binary options is very risky, and you might lose all your money. Make sure to learn about it and ask a professional for advice before you decide to trade. Hello! Today I will show you how to use the rectangle tool to gain significant profits in trading. To begin with, choose 1-minute candle time frames and 1 minute for trading entry. Let's get started. Go to the Drawings menu, then select the Rectangle option. After choosing the rectangle, the object will appear on your trading screen. We will use this tool to identify gaps created in the past by candles. Locate the gap between past candles and wait for the price to hit the rectangle before deciding to go for a sell or buy. Let's observe the price movement. As we see the price entering the red zone, it indicates a sell. Profits can be easily made using this type of technical analysis. Thank me later. Now let's try the same strategy with another symbol. If you want to learn more about trading, you can join my Telegram channel by clicking the link in the bio or scanning the QR code. As mentioned earlier, click on Drawings, then Rectangle. Identify the gaps between past candles to decide whether to go for buy or sell. Currently, we are in an urgent situation, and we need to go for buy to see if we can make a profit. After the entry, we observe a clear profit. Let's wait for another entry, as we are in a good position for 3 to 4 entries. If the price makes a break, we will go for buy again. As we can see, the price takes a break, and we need to go for buy. It's that simple. Let's see what happens with the price for another potential entry. It seems like we are in an excellent position for another entry, as the price is taking a break and we are going for buy. Another clean profit and a simple strategy. Now, let's try the same strategy with another symbol. If you want to learn more about trading, you can join my Telegram channel by clicking the link in the bio or scanning the QR code. Click on Drawings and then Rectangle to identify gaps in the past created by candles. In my case, there is a gap for sell, and it's urgent to enter for sell. Let's proceed. As we can see, the price is dropping sharply for a sell. This strategy is easy for me, but if you find it challenging, please contact me on Telegram. Watch out for scams. I do not offer financial services. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe because we upload new videos every week, helping you learn more with us. You can also join our community channel through the link in the bio or by scanning this QR code.